Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another drainage solution that's going to help our customer deal with the water that had been moving on their landscape for some time now. And it started by us identifying where the water is coming from and then working meticulously in order to ensure that we put that water into a catch basin and take it off of the landscape. Now, as you'll see within this landscape, we're tying in over 8 different gutter downspouts, and we've even added some more in order to make sure that we can help this customer out. But it also says that this is the way that we give our customers more quality, more quantity than that of what could have ever been expected. And so as we take you through this landscape, you can see where now that water that used to move on this landscape so easily, coming from multiple different gutter downspouts, is now going to be able to go into our drain box, and it's going to be able to be effectively moved off this landscape in the most appropriate manner. Now, as you know, with our ADS drainage pipe, it's necessary that you understand this corrugated piping isn't like that which you find at Home Depot. It's the type of rock that allows for you to be it's the type of pipe that allows for you to be able to have that similarity to that of a dual wall, meaning that it's not going to be so easily able to deteriorate. It's actually guaranteed to last for 25 plus years. And that's the type of pipe that you want to be installing when it comes to your property. It also says that these gutter downspouts, those of about 60 feet tall at times, are necessary that we begin to tie in, because it allows for us to be able to deal with all of that water that was once plaguing this landscape. And that's how we provide for this customer the ultimate outdoor landscape drainage solution, and provide them with one that's going to be able to last a lifetime. Now, we're tying in all those gutter downspouts as you can see here, but it also says we're coming up with a way to catch that water within our catch basin, which is truly going to be the way in which we provide the customer with a design that's able to last a lifetime. And that's just what we do right here at Brooks Landscaping. We go even a step further and making sure that we can save your existing grass. That's right. If you have existing grass, we're going to be able to save that grass, and we're going to be able to ensure that we put it back almost as if it never came out. And that's one of the ways in which we're able to give you more than that of what's expected. And we're also able to make sure that we're meticulously going through within our digging process. Now, we did call our 811 dig. They told us that the line was here. It ended up being here. So it was necessary that we were very focused on identifying and making sure that as we were going through this entire project, we were able to identify where our cable lines were, our Xfinity lines were, and I can tell you that meant a lot to the customer. As you can see here as well, from this area, this is where they said our lines were, but this is where our line actually was. And so when we find ourselves in this position, it says that we're going to take the initiative to rebury that line appropriately, help you identify where that's at, and then give you the solution that lasts a lifetime. And that's the reason we become so effective at what we do. It's the reason we're one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on giving our customers more quality and more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. Only at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could. Stay tuned, folks. Hey, bud.